Hey everyone, Justin Fisher here in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. We are, of course, joined by the always wonderful Chef Val from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. How are you doing?
Good, you?
Doing pretty good. Holidays are over, I suppose. Well, we're getting to another holiday, New Year's Eve. Christmas is over. And when I have a New Year's Eve party or anything, it's going to be fried everything, chicken wings. I'm glad that we're talking about this because I do need an idea for something that is delicious and healthy as well. And we're talking about falafels.
Right. So falafel is just a chickpea patty that can either be baked and fried. You could go ahead and choose to bake these if you wanted to, but we are frying them, so it's a little special of occasion, right? You can do that a few times a year. So we're actually making ours just a little bit healthier. We're going to put some broccoli in the food processor. You can use carrots, broccoli, cauliflower.
Whatever your choice.
This is a can of rinsed and drained chickpeas. We're using some oat flour, but you could use any kind of flour that you want. Some raw sesame seeds, a couple of cloves of garlic, some cilantro, some cumin, little
always
salt
add
and
the
pepper.
cilantro. I'm learning that.
Yeah, always with the cilantro, right?
Everything better.
Right, unless you hate it.
That's true.
Okay, so a little pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm saying like a quarter of a teaspoon. And then the lid just goes on, if it doesn't trick
Trusty
me.
food process.
Right? If it doesn't trick me. Okay, and so this is just gonna get nice and we're gonna pulse it until it all comes together.
Just kind of chops up real easy.
It's gonna come together pretty well too.
Yeah, because I've used garbanzo beans in like hummus before.
Sure, yeah.
Not always so easy.
Okay, so you would just keep pulsing that until you get this mixture, okay? And so this mixture will easily form into a little patty or ball, so you can just kind of roll that with your hands.
Just use like a measuring.
Yeah, I have a tablespoon measure there. You could use a scoop, you could use whatever. So it's going to go right into a little bit of olive oil, and these are going to fry until they're golden brown and cooked through. Okay?
And so you use broccoli, but can you use maybe cauliflower?
Cauliflower, carrots, those are also really, really good choices. And then you could definitely serve these.
Dip it, yeah.
Yeah, you could dip it with any kind of sauce that you love, but we have made kind of a tzatziki so it's a Greek yogurt and some dill and lemon and cucumber. So you could definitely dip it like that, but then you could make like just a falafel wrap. And so we put a couple of these on here and
Speaking my language.
a little bit of sauce, or even a lot of sauce, right?
All of it.
And some cucumbers and red onion and maybe some tomato slices here. And so if you would like to wrap that all up and have a nice little taste of that.
You do this so quickly and look how amazing it looks. That's really, and relatively quick to make, right?
Yeah, really. And you could make this mixture anytime you wanted, put it in the refrigerator, and then cook them off when it's convenient for you.
All right, we're gonna give it a go here. Perfect. As always, healthy, easy to make. Dip it in something if you want to make it hummus as well.
Right.
Thank you so much, Chef. You find us all at kjrh.com, more recipes.